This is going to be a video tutorial on how to highlight text in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. To highlight text in Google Slides, say that I wanted to highlight this text right here. I wanted to highlight that. First thing you want to do is select the text that you want to highlight. I'm going to put my mouse cursor at the end of it. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button. I'm going to drag across it to where I have the text selected that I want to highlight. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to this little marker icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says highlight color. I'm going to click on highlight color. Then I can choose from between any one of these colors here to highlight my text with. At the very bottom it says transparent. I'm going to go with this yellow one right here. I'm going to click on the yellow one. Now I'm going to click off of my text. Now I have highlighted that text. To remove the highlight, you just repeat the same process. I'm going to select the text that I want to remove the highlight from. I'm going to go up to the top, up to the little marker icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says transparent. I'm going to click on transparent. Now I have removed the highlight from the text. That is how to highlight text in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.